Hello everyone, this is Eric. Welcome to Alteryx at Lion. Today we are going to have a look at Alteryx Weekly Challenge 27, Spatial Telco Coverage Smoothing. In this week's challenge, we have been given a case where a wireless telecommunication company wants to remove holes and splatter from their coverage area for simplified map display. A splatter can be defined as unnecessary pieces of whole polygon. So let's have a look at this workflow. Okay, so from the browse tool, we can see this is the coverage of the telco company's coverage map. If we zoom in, we can see there are many holes and some splatters which are unnecessary on the map display. This doesn't really look good. So what they want to achieve is they want to remove those holes for a better map display. Yeah, so there's no holes and splatters. Okay, so what we can do is we can use a spatial tool, can use a spatial info. In the spatial info, because this is already a polygon file, so in spatial info, we want to know the number of points, so how many points are actually in that polygon. And then once we have the output, this file is telling us those numbers, but we also want to split. We also want to split the polygon into different points. So we use a detailed region. Yeah, so that's the overall each individual point. And by using this poly split, there will be additional column to be added, which is a Boolean value, either false or true, whether it's a hole or not. So then we can use the spatial info again. And then we want to know for each individual points, what's the area square kilometers. And then see there's an additional column to be added. And then we use a filter tool. We want to filter out. We do not want anything that's whole, or we do not want any area square kilometer less than two kilometers. So we use a custom filter not equal to, so Boolean not split is whole, and area square kilometer more or equal to 2. So let's run this. So all those true are what we want. And then we can use a summarize tool. We can use a summarize tool, and then for the split spatial object, we use a spatial combine, and then we add a browse. So let's run this. So this actually matches our output if we put them onto a Alteryx light map. So there's no holes in the area. This is a better display. So this is the end of this weekly challenge. We can use this process or those spatial tools to do analysis to see how many what's the coverage of our store in regional areas, and we can calculate what's the population we have covered along our distribution line or distribution channels. This is the end of this workflow. Thank you very much.